Robinhood just launched prediction markets for crypto on the Robinhood app. So now you can bet on how high the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum will get by the end of 2025. Will Bitcoin reach 125 or above? You can place a yes or no trade. Or how high will Ethereum get by the end of the year? It's a simple yes or no trade. So today I wanted to cover how to place your first market prediction trade within the Robinhood app and how to maximize your potential for winning on each contract. This is a simple and quick overview. Let's get started. So prediction markets are only available on the Robinhood mobile app. This is not available on the desktop website yet. And as you can see, the app features other event contracts such as sports, culture, and economics. So let's click on the how high will Bitcoin get this year. So there's a few contracts to choose from. So the one with the highest probability would be the one at 125,000 or above. That is priced at 74 cents per contract. And you can think of that as a percentage. So that has a 74% probability win rate. So currently we've almost reached the high of 125 this year. At the time of filming, Bitcoin has reached 122. So there is a high likelihood that this contract, 125, will actually hit. We have other numbers below it, 130,000 or above. That has a probability rate of 67%. Or 67 cents per contract, or even 140,000 or above at 47 cents. You can expand this, and as you can see, the contracts keep going. So the contract will resolve at the end of the year, December 31st, 2025. And if your contract is correct, the payout will be $1 per contract. So let me show you how that works. So let's say I wanted to choose the contract that states 125,000 or above. So I'm going to bet a yes. Click on yes. Like I mentioned, this has a high probability of hitting because we've almost reached 125,000 this year. And if you're not sure, you can always run this question through your favorite AI model. Here I have ChatGPT, which is predicting a high range of 200,000 to 225, a consensus median of roughly 160,000. Perplexity AI is predicting between 130 and 200,000. And Grok is even predicting somewhere between 120 and 180,000. So again, all in all, definitely 125,000 is in the playbook. So this is a pretty straightforward bet. So back on Robinhood. So currently each contract is priced at 74 cents and this is dynamic pricing. Over time, the probability will continue increasing. So the price of this contract will go up in price. And if you head back, you can look at the weekly chart here. And as you can see over time, this has been generally trending upward. We look at max. The purple line here is the 125 or above contract, and as you can see, it has been trending upward. So let's keep this simple. If you were to buy 100 contracts, that would cost you roughly $74 plus commission fees. That would be $76 total. So 100 contracts would cost you $76. If the contract resolves as true, if Bitcoin does hit 125,000 or above this year, your payout would be $1 per contract. So that would be total of $100. So that would be roughly a 24% gain here. Let's say you do 10,000 contracts. So 10,000 contracts would cost you 7,600. Your payout would be, if it is correct, 10,000. That is a net profit of 3,400. So when you're ready to submit your order, you would hit review and swipe up to submit. And there's other contracts you can choose from, which are obviously cheaper. And again, because this is dynamic pricing, the price has been trending upwards. You are free to sell this early. You don't necessarily have to hold this till the end at December 31st. Let's say this hits 90 cents per contract. You can actually sell it early and lock in the 90 cent per contract gain. So let's look at another event contract. We have Ethereum. How high will Ethereum get this year? We have 4,000 or above, 4,250, 4,500, and it goes as high as 5,000, even 6,000. So we do know that Ethereum has hit 4,000 previously. So that is another good indicator that Ethereum will at least get to 4,000 this year. So if you're a fan of this contract here, you would hit yes, and same idea applies here. Choose the amount you want to buy, submit your order, and you can look at the timeline here and judge how the price has been increasing over time. So I'm a huge fan of Robinhood. It's a simple interface. interface and it's easy to use. And hopefully they'll bring their prediction markets interface to the Robinhood.com website soon. But if you'd rather trade on a desktop or web page, we do have alternatives such as Polymarket, which does accept crypto wallets such as Phantom and MetaMask, and they do have an entire crypto section on here as well. You can find similar prediction markets in the crypto section, like here, what price will Bitcoin hit in 2025? So some of the values are different. They have the value of 130,000 or above, or even 150,000. And you can see 130,000 is priced at 66 cents per contract. Do like this odds here. You would select yes here and choose the amount you would like to place. Here's the Ethereum 2025 price prediction. The $4,000 price target here is at 79 cents. Is at 79 cents for a yes. So this is actually a bit higher than Robinhood. We have other price targets of 5,000, 6,000, and the list goes on. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to use the new Robinhood prediction market section. Don't forget to run your event contract through your favorite AI model, where you'll get a better understanding of your probability outcome and whether your event contract will come true. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, where I have tons of other crypto tutorials. So what do you think about the Robinhood prediction market? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.